Okay guys, today we are doing this video of this new router. This is TP-Link, okay, and I'm gonna unbox this. This is a new launch by TP-Link, and this is called as Archer C6. And today we'll check what all are the features and what all things we get in this router, if it's budget router or not. Okay, so let's do the unboxing. So this router features with 867 Mbps 5 GHz plus 300 Mbps 2.4 GHz. Advanced security with WPA3 and supports smart roaming. This is an AC 1200 Mbps the total router. This is also called as a mesh Wi-Fi router. It has full gigabit, multiple out in and multiple output. That is the new MIMO. There is a new feature which is available in this router. Okay, the router has 5 lights in the front that consist of power, Wi-Fi, the LAN and the internet. Okay, and this is the rear back. Okay, this has the power button, this is the power connector, this is the WAN port, and these 4 are the gigabit LAN ports. Alright, so let's open it up. Okay, so this is the router itself. This is the power adapter. This is the user manual. This is the LAN cable. This is the gigabit LAN cable. So let's keep the. This is the user manual installation guide. You can refer this later on. This is how it looks. Alright, these are the antennas. It has 4 antennas which can be used in different directions. Nice rough finish. TP-Link branding here. We have 5 lights, and let's see at the ports. We have power connector and this 4 gigabit connectors. Here down is the reset switch, and this is the WPS Wi-Fi connection. Alright, so hope you like it. Please do subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, hit the like button, and do share this video as well. Thank you very much.